Greetings, music makers, and welcome to my virtual office. I'm so glad you clicked here today to find out what all of this is about. My name's Miss Leegee, and I'm your music teacher. Here, you're gonna find loads of interactives for you guys to do. Start by checking out my bookshelf. Here, we've got lots of things for you to check out. Start in the music library. Click on the books, hear a music story. We also have loads of games. Check out the toolbox to see your interactive music games. And there's one more thing available for you today, which is the radio. And that's our listening room. We're gonna be exploring music from all over the world. This week, we're starting in Tennessee. I've also got music on there for you to enjoy while you're reading, for your other classes, and we also have some dance moves, some dance music, some things to get you up, moving and grooving and away from your screen. So be sure to keep checking back to see what's new every week or so, and I'm so glad to have you in my class this year, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.